In the world of high end organic jams, there's a color that stands alone. It isn't just gold and it isn't just yellow. It is a golden yellow toned, a specific deep honey like saturation found only in the Pinctada maxima auster. In 2026, the global jewelry market has shifted. While white pearls represent tradition, the golden yellow pearl represent power, solar energy, and modern success. Today, we are embarking on a latest video that deep dive into over 300 unique jewelry design. We're going to answer the question that keep collectors awake. Why does the golden yellow hue command a 300% premium over champagne pearls? So how do you distinguish natural deep saturation from heat treated fakes, and how is 2026 high fashion reimagining this imperial gem? So whether you are an investor or a lover of rare beauty, this is your definitive guide to the gold of the sea. So let's get started. Now let's discuss in depth about the science of golden yellow. To understand the value of your necklace, you must understand the saturation scale. Most gold pearls on the market are actually light yellow or champagne. A true golden yellow pearl is defined by its depth of pigment. This color is produced naturally by the oyster's mantle, and it is incredibly rare. Only about 1% of harvested pearls reach this 24 karat intensity. In 2026, the civil buyer looks for lustrous depth. When you look at a golden yellow pearl, the glow shouldn't just be on the surface, it should look like there is a light bulb inside the pearl. This is called orient. We are going to see designs today that use this orient to replace diamonds entirely. Remember, the deeper the yellow, the higher the value. If a pearl looks pale or milky, it lacks the thermal energy that defines a true golden yellow statement piece. The minimalist monarch, that is the important part. As we begin with the solid stand, in 2026, the minimalist monarch trend is about wearing a single color with maximum impact. Notice these 12 mm golden yellow uniform strands to find 30 pearls that match exactly in this specific deep yellow shade can take a harvester up to 5 years of sorting. That is why a matched golden yellow strand is considered a legacy asset. Modern designers are now using invisible silk, knotting, and matte 18 karat yellow gold clasp to ensure the metal doesn't distract from the pearl's natural glow. When styling these, the 2026 rule is skin on stone. These pearls look best against a bare skin, where their warmth harmonizes with human scale tones, creating a radiant, healthy aura for the wearer. Now, let's address the most popular query of the year. Is a round pearl always better? So the answer is a resounding no. The golden yellow Baroque pearl has become the cool girl of the jewelry world. Because these pearls grow in irregular shapes, they often trap more orient and rainbow overtones in their folds. Notice these designs, the cage pendant. Designers are taking massive 20 millimeter golden yellow baroques and trapping them in 22-carat gold ones or cages. The style appeals to the soul that values uniqueness over symmetry. It's a fashionable statement that says you don't follow the crowd. These are the pieces that dominate street style photography and art deco revivals because they feel like they were pulled straight from a mermaid's grotto. You know that the most high value designs of this year are those that embrace the fusion palette. So what is it? It's basically a golden yellow pearl is the perfect anchor for colored gemstone. The royal contrast. Golden yellow pearls paired with deep blue, silent sapphires. The yellow and blue are complementary colors, making the pearl look even brighter. And the sunset symphony, like pairing golden yellow pearls with orange sapphires and rubies. This creates a monochromatic fire look that is the top choice for 2026 red carpet events. Notice the use of micropave on the golden caps of these balls. By encrusting the attachment point with tiny diamonds or colored stone, the transition from metal to pearl becomes seamless. This is architectural jewelry at its finest, where the golden yellow pearl isn't just a bead but the heart of a complex gemstone sculpture. So, guys, we have traveled through the golden yellow spectrum from the disciplined beauty of the strand to the wild energy of the Baroque. So, these pearls are a biological miracle, a gift from the deep sea that captures the essence of the sun. So, when you choose a golden yellow pearl, you're choosing a gem that is alive. It doesn't just sit on you, it glows with you. So, which design spoke to your soul today? Was it the precision of the Imperial Round or the raw power of the Baroque? Tell me in the comments. Stay connected with me. Enjoy your life.